If you own a clothing brand and you're looking to make better products, pay attention. For years, the best factories in the world were impossible to access until now. We've researched over 10,000 factories, communicated with over 500 factories, and have personally visited over 100 factories in Japan, China, India, Italy, Portugal, Turkey, Colombia, and more. Specifically, the factories working with your favorite brand. The types of factories that are highly specialized and make the best products. And as of today, we are giving you access to those factories. You can go on glassfactory.info right now and contact them. We've added photos and videos inside the factory, MOQs, sample and production times, and descriptions. No more stock images that factories use to fool you into thinking they can make a product. No more misleading information about quality or production time. We know the factories listed are great because we saw their showrooms and saw their production line. Go on glassfactory.info to start making better products today.